Good morning, children. Are you sleeping? Please wake up, and study. Yesterday, we learned sleeping line. Yesterday, what we learned, children? Sleeping line. After, we learned standing line. Then, circle. No? Yes, we learned. What is this? Can you tell? Yes, it is sleeping line. Sleeping line. What is this? Standing line. What is this? Circle. Okay, very good. Now, only this much we learn or what? One more things we learn. What is the, what it was? Can you tell? Tell. What it was? It was half circle. Okay, it was half circle. Like this it was. Yesterday I told you, no? That circle, we divide it two part. Then it become it half circle. Okay. After learning, can you tell me this is how to write Hindi? First, we are learning Hindi alphabet. We should know all these signs. If we know, then you will see it is easy to write for you Hindi alphabet. Okay, now can you tell me after all sleeping line, standing line, circle line and half circle, after what we learn? We learn A. Then how it will be? First half circle, then you will add one more half circle, and in the middle small sleeping line. Okay, after that standing line, then sleeping line. Did you see? Yesterday I taught you. Yes. This is what it become. O. Next look, this is half circle. Can you see? Yes. And after that again we'll add half circle, then sleeping line, then standing line, sleeping line, one more standing line. Now what it become? It is now O and A. Okay, student, please you will remember it. What is the difference between O and A? Okay, then now can you write O A? Yes, you can write. Then today we will learn what you learn today. Our O A is finished. Can you tell me, children? What we learn? Yes, E, choti and badi we will learn today. Very good. I want to say one thing. Those who know how to write in the alphabet also, you should know that sign. Okay, note down it in your school copy. Then today we'll learn how to write choti and badi. Okay, then let me start. Then this today one more sign we'll learn. This is called ASQ. Write, note down it in your school copy. ASKEW. Okay. The sign name is SQ. Okay. Then today only one sign you will learn. Only one sign. Today then what it called? SQ. Then now how many sign already we learn? Can you tell me? Yes, 4. Sleeping line. Again I want to remind you. Sleeping line, standing line, circle, half circle, half circle, half circle, half circle. And this is SQ. Sorry, this is this is SQ line. Did you see what is that? Don't think this line and this line. What is the difference? It called standing line, it called SQ line. Okay. Then now we will learn how to write छोटी. प्लीज़ आपको सीखना चाहिए अच्छी तरह से, क्योंकि आप ये मत सोचना कि स्कूल बंद है अभी हमें पढ़ाई नहीं करना चाहिए, लेकिन आपको पढ़ना चाहिए. नहीं तो क्या होगा? आप सबका जो एम है वो एम सक्सेस नहीं होगा. ठीक है. तो छोटी कैसे लिखना पड़ेगा? देखिए, पहले हमको स्लीपिंग लाइन लिखना पड़ेगा. ध्यान से देखिए, लुक इट. इसके बाद छोटा सा लिटिल, व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट लाइन? स्टैंडिंग लाइन. गुड. व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट? This is half circle, and with this you will add one more half circle. Okay. Then after that this side will make small circle. Did you see? Yes. Then you will adding an SQ line with that small circle. Okay, now done. Choti. Again I am telling. Can you tell me this line name? Yes, sleeping line. Can you tell me this line name? Please you say with me. Standing line. Good. Only one boy is telling. Only one boy is answering. Can you tell me this is? Yes, what line? Half circle. Then, now what you'll do? You will add, okay, one more half circle. And small circle you will. Did you see? Then, after that, you will add SQ line. Let SQ line. Now, already done. What? Choti E. Very good. Now, what we learn? छोटी हम लोगों ने सीख लिया कैसे लिखना है. ओ आ छोटी बड़ी. ठीक है. Please, those who cannot write, for them also needed sign, and those who can write also, for you also need. Okay. Then now we'll learn buddy. What is this? Sleeping line. ये कौन सा लाइन है? स्टैंडिंग लाइन. वेरी गुड. हमने छोटा ई कैसे लिखा है? हाँ, हाफ सर्कल स्टैंडिंग लाइन के साथ हमने क्या कर दिया? जोड़ दिया. वी ऐड. Then after that again one more half circle. Half. This is half circle, but downside it will be full circle, but it should be small, not big. Okay. Then after that SQ line. अभी बन गया ना छोटी. तो इसके ऊपर में क्या लगाएंगे हम? इसके ऊपर में हम लगाएंगे हाफ सर्कल. ठीक है. अभी बन गया ये बड़ी. छोटी से क्या बन गया? बड़ी. फिर से मैं बताती हूँ ये क्या है. स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, हाफ सर्कल. इसके you will add one more half circle, then full of circle, small circle, not half. You will remember it should be full. Then after that SQ line. Okay. Then upside it should be half circle. Now what is this? Buddy. Okay. Please write it in your copy. Did you see how many buddy I have written? 2 buddy I have written. Now what I'll do? I will make it choti. Now did you see what is the difference between choti and buddy? Choti upside is not half circle, but buddy upside is half circle. I hope you can understood. Please children, you note down it in your copy, and which sign you write the alphabet and you send it in my WhatsApp number. Okay, bye bye.